how to edit a template in Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit a template in Notion. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, head over to the Notion website. Once you're on the home page, click on the login button at the top right. For a quick login, I recommend choosing Continue with Google. It saves time and gets you into your workspace without the hassle of remembering passwords. Now that you're inside, navigate to your database. This is where all your tasks, projects, or whatever you're tracking live. Think of it as your main hub. Next to the New button, you'll see a little drop-down arrow. Click on that and select Plus New Template. This gives you a blank template that you can fully customize to fit your needs. Now here's where you start shaping it. Give your template a clear and useful name. Then begin adding whatever you need: text, headings, checklists, toggles, even embedded videos or databases. It's your space, so build it to work for you. Want to add a to-do list? Just type /to-do. And Notion adds a clickable checklist. Need to insert a database view? Use /table or board depending on what works best for your workflow. As you go, make sure your layout is clean and easy to use. You can add emojis, cover images, dividers, whatever helps bring structure and visual clarity to your template. Once you're happy with the setup, hit close at the top, and your custom template is now ready to use anytime you click that drop-down arrow under New. And that's it. You just created and edited your own template in Notion. If this helped you out, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Notion and productivity tips. Thanks for watching.